All right, on the box 2. I hope I pull them before one of us dies. It's going to be rather embarrassing to never have done it. Ahmad Black, 30 out of 100 for the Buccaneers. Rookie, stuck together, and base. Just a hit? Yeah, it's a hit. We'll save it. This a hit? Nope. Rookie DeMarco Sampson, and that's it. Denarius Moore, 145 out of 250, ex-rookie. And a Johnny White rookie. Say that 4 times fast. This feels like a hit, and it is. Rookie orientation, Jordan Todman. Nice to see him again. And a rookie of Anthony Costanzo. Has to be a hit. Hard open pack. Oh, it ain't. Aaron Williams, 178 out of 250. Ex-rookie. And a Stephen Burton, I guess. Rookie. This is definitely a hit. I feel it. Is it? Yep, it's a hit. Lawrence Timmons, 47 out of 250. And a Darrell Scott rookie card, not numbered. It's another hit, I think. Nope. I'm going fucking crazy now. Jonas Mouton, insert. And Hall of Famer, Colt McCoy. Mo Flacco, 81 out of 100. And a Anthony Lynn rookie. For the most part, next few boxes, and I'll sit here and talk to Joe for a minute. But not forever. Braylon Edwards, insert. And a Stanley Havili, insert. Rookie card. It's probably about an hour, hour and a half. No worries, sir. I'll pull you some mojo, hopefully. Daquan Bowers, rookie, and base. X of Chad Greenway, 2 of 25. It's a nice one. And a rookie of Baron Batch. This is definitely hit, definitely hit, definitely hit. Or they put hella cards in the pack. They put hella cards in the pack. Greg McElroy, not numbered. And base. Oh, we got a redemption. And I threw away the damn box. Balapa, 114 out of 250. And a Jeremy Curley rookie. Come on, be another hit. And it ain't. David Osbury. And that's it. On to the hits now. Good luck. The one with Andre Johnson on the front. Oh, shit. Be something on the front. What the hell is this going to be? Can you see that? Crazy numbering. It's 2011. Calm down. But what is that? Is that an auto? Let's see. Oh, nice. For the Colts. Lenny Moore. Gummy worm auto. Yeah, let's see. Let's try it again. All right, take my word for it. It's 30 out of 30. That's a nice hit there. Go Colts. A rookie of Martez Wilson. And base. The next hit. For the Eagles. Shit, it's a nice patch. What number is this? Damn, it's a crazy box. Numbered 4 out of 10. Look like it has some autograph on the jersey there. Michael Vick, numbered 4 out of 10. All right. And let's see. What else is a rookie of DeAndre Brown. And base. And let's see. 15 out of 136 jersey card for the Panthers. D'Angelo Williams. A rookie of Marcus Gilchrist. And then now the redemption. Do I have a checklist? Yeah, here we go. The rookie is Terrell Pryor. And base. Signatures Gold, number 155. Oh, shit. A card I'll never fucking see. Jesus Christ. This is a nice box. Number 155 is Aldon Smith, a card I do not have. Let's see if I can get this cocksucker to focus. Nice my ass. I'll probably never see it. Come on. Just trying. Signatures Gold. I don't know what that's number 2, but we will return. Thank you guys. Nice box.